Welcome to a new review on my channel. Today I will be reviewing the 5L Smart Multifunctional Electric Pressure Cooker Soup Warmer Rice Porridge Smart Heating Electric Pressure Cooker for Home. Features: 5L capacity, multiple functions, cooking rice, soup, porridge, and more. Smart, pre-programmed cooking programs. Smart heating, easy to use. Safe, experience. I have been using this pressure cooker for 2 weeks and I have been very happy with it. It is very easy to use and it has many different functions that make it perfect for quick and delicious cooking. Pros: quick cooking. The pressure cooker helps to cook food much faster than traditional methods. Multiple functions. It can be used to cook a variety of dishes, including rice, soup, porridge, and more. Smart, pre-programmed cooking programs make cooking easier. Smart heating keeps food warm after cooking. Easy to use, simple and easy to understand control panel. Safe, it has many safety features. Cons: it can be expensive. It can be difficult to clean. Conclusion: I highly recommend the 5L Smart Multifunctional Electric Pressure Cooker Soup Warmer Rice Porridge Smart Heating Electric Pressure Cooker for Home. It is a great kitchen tool that makes cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable.